everybody. We're going on holidays today. Yay!
1, 2, 3.
We need to pack our bags! What do we need to pack? Flip-flops, sunglasses, some cream, beach ball. We can't forget our passports. Oh yeah. Right, we're all packed.
Let's get the train.
To the airport.
Yay, here's the train.
Let's get on.
Where?
Where are we gonna sit? Let's. Here. Right, we're here at the departures.
Let's check in our bags.
Don't forget your passport.
Let's get on the plane.
Let's join the queue.
Here's our seats.
Hey.
Let's have a
Have a
great
great holiday.